Welcome back. In this section, we're going to talk about discount points and origination points. A discount point sometimes is referred to as a buy down. Sometimes a lender will approve a borrower at a certain rate, but they offer discount points, money paid up front to get a lower rate. For example, I have a 6% rate. How much can I pay up front to buy it down to 5.5%? How many discount points can I pay to get a lower rate? Now, buy downs and discount points, the word is used interchangeably, can be temporary and they can also be permanent. Depends on how it's set up. Temporary is just that. It's the amount is bought down or discounted for a temporary period of time, as expressed by the contract. But if it's a permanent buy down, it's for the entire life of the loan. Regardless of how you calculate points, points are based on the loan amount. So again, discount points are money paid up front to buy down the rate to get a lower rate. Points are based on the loan amount. In the problem, sometimes they'll give you the loan amount, the sales price, the appraised value. Always remember that points are calculated based on the loan amount. So the formula to calculate discount points is just to take the loan amount times the amount of points and press equal. Let's talk about loan origination points. Because there's two types of points you'll be dealing with. Discount points, points paid, money paid up front to get a lower rate, and origination points. That's how you're paid as a loan originator. It's based on points, a percent of the loan amount. So loan origination points is money paid to you as a loan originator for originating the loan. Regardless of whether it's a discount point or origination point, a point is 1% of the loan amount. Sometimes they call it loan origination fees. That's the same thing. Here's an example. If a property has a sales price of $197,000, it has an appraised value of $196,000. The loan amount is $152,700. What is the cost of 2 points to buy down the loan amount? Remember, I told you that buy down and discount points, that word is used interchangeably. It's asking what is the amount of 2 discount points. Also remember, the discount points are based on the loan amount. In this situation, the loan amount is $152,700. So you simply have to calculate 2% of that $152,700 to buy down this rate. The discount points would cost $3,054. That's 2% of the loan amount.